Now we'll be doing chapter 10, that is future tense, and now you can open your books to page number 60, okay, and over there you can find chapter 10, that is future tense, okay. So future tense is used to talk about an action, talk about the actions that is expected to take place in the future, okay. Future tense हमें वो actions के बारे में बताती है जो कि future में होंगे, ठीक है. Now, अब हम यहाँ पर पढ़ेंगे in this chapter we'll be just studying about the simple future tense only. We'll be seeing the simple future tense. Okay, so we'll be just seeing what simple future tense. Okay, so simple future tense is it shows the action that will take place in the future. Okay, जो action future में होंगे इसलिए use किया जाता है. Okay, and now I am writing the structure for simple future tense, that is subject plus will plus the first form of the verb plus the rest of the sentence. Okay, so this is the structure for simple future tense. Okay, I am giving you some examples, we will be seeing it. If I say I will help you to do the project. This is an example. Here you can see I is the subject, okay, then it is followed by will, and after will there is the first form of the verb, that is help, or I can say this is what the base form of the verb also, okay. So and it is followed by the rest of the sentence, okay. So now remember these example, okay, this structure to learn this tense, that is simple future tense. Okay, I am writing another example also, and you can see that this action will take place in the future. अभी help की नहीं है, help मैं करूँगा, मैं करूँगी help, okay, ठीक है. अभी help हुई नहीं है, अभी help होगी. So this action will take place in the future. Okay, I am writing another example. They will play a match next week. Okay, so here you can see that that this action will take place in the future, okay, and you can see subject, then it is followed by will, and then the main form, or I can say the base form of the verb, then the rest of the sentence is there. Okay, now we will be seeing what? We will be seeing the be going to form. Okay, so now what does this be going to form indicates us? Okay, okay, what does this be going to form indicates us? So sometimes we use the verb form which is be going to indicate actions that are about to take place in the immediate future. जो अभी ही होने वाले immediate future में जो actions होने वाले हैं उसे indicate करता है be going to. Okay, so what is the structure for this be going to form? That is subject plus what? Plus the be form of the verb, or I can say is am, or plus going to plus the main verb, or I can say the first form of the verb, and then the rest of the sentence. This is the structure that we will be used to form this be going to form, because it indicates the future plans or the action that will take place in the immediate future. Okay, so now I am writing an example. You can see I am going to cook my favorite dish. Okay, you can see that I is the subject, and with I we always use what? Am. Okay, and then going to is there. Okay, and then it is followed by the main verb. Okay, so this is the structure, and that is this is how we have to use it in the sentence. I am writing one more example. We are going to have a party. Okay, so here you can see the subject has been changed, the subject is plural now, and with that we are using what? Are, and then going to is there, and then the main verb have, and then what? The rest of the sentence. Okay, so this is how we need to use this be going to form in the sentence. Okay.